Kia ora, my name is Martyn. I am principal at Whakatane High School on the sunny Eastern Bay of Plenty. I've been here this is my fourth year, and this is the first year where we've engaged with the Writers Toolbox as a full school. The last year we had a pilot run by a member of staff called Joss. What Joss was able to do is provide evidence that groups of students that often fell through the cracks in terms of writing were able to achieve at the highest level. And so that really stuck out for me, and as a school we made that decision to invest in this resource for 2023. What we've done over the last few years is start to look at whole school practices around literacy. To make substantial shifts in students' literacy requires teachers to be able to teach literacy. And one of the challenges there is that not everyone sees themselves in that position. You know, I'm a teacher of a subject, or I'm an expert in this. And to shift teachers' practice is a massive investment. So we've done a lot of PLD. One of the beauties about Writer's Toolbox is, for me, it cuts out the middleman. It gives teachers the ability to have a tool available for young people so they can learn literacy and learn those writing skills alongside the young person, rather than positioning teachers to be the expert and to shift their pedagogy and practice. So we've got a school strategy which is around making sure our students thrive in the future of learning and work. One of the foundational skills for students to thrive in life beyond school is to be literate. The uptake has been huge because every teacher is trying to find the magic bullet, to be fair. And I think the Writer's Toolbox gives them a framework to use that cuts through a whole range of PLD and cuts straight to the practices and the strategies that work to accelerate kids. The why of this, why we want to do this, is pretty clear. The how we're going to get there is where we've often as schools left it to teachers. You know, the Writer's Toolbox gives us the how. It gives us the vehicle to be able to support our young people to understand where they are, what they need to do, and it provides a PLD for staff to be able to sit alongside them.